Everybody quiet. This is our budgies laying, well, she laid 4 eggs. And that's, the blue one is the male. The green is the female. They've been laying eggs. Well, she's been laying eggs since last week. And now she put in the fourth one. And they're really happy. But we don't want to touch their nest. So, that's what it is. 4 eggs. Oops, what's going on? Oh, we don't want to see that.
They're mating, Harry. They're mating.
What are they doing?
They're mating.
No, they're not.
They're warming her.
That's how they mate. The male stands on the female and then they start mating.
Who wants to mate again?
Oh my god. Well, let's cut the video here.